Good day, gamers. Today, Unity Essentials. Okay, let's go. All right, so step one, we're going to go ahead and download the Essentials in Editor zip. Okay, so we're going to download that. I've already got one ready to go. While we're downloading that, though, we are going to create a folder for your Unity 6 projects. Okay, so the way we're going to do that, let's just minimize. Okay, we're going to go open up our basically our folder structure, and we need to go to essentially our house. So we'll click on the File Explorer, and then we'll click on. For me, it's going to say Josh Fleming. For you, it's going to say your name. If you do not have that folder, just go to this PC, C drive, users, find your name. Okay, and then this is the folder we want to be at. So I'm just going to go same thing here. We're going to just be, it should say C users Josh Fleming. Then we go ahead. I want you to, I gotta just change the name of this so we don't cause an issue. I just want you to right click, go to new, and then folder, and then just create a folder called projects. Okay, great. So we're going to go ahead and then we're going to go to our downloads folder where we had this zip file. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just do right click, copy, go back to our our user folder, go to the projects folder, and then paste this in. All right, from here, we're going to go ahead and right click and extract all. At this point, we're going to go ahead and open up Unity Hub. All right, and we're going to go to add project from disk. We're going to then go to our projects folder. All right, so projects, we're going to double click on essentials in editor once, twice, and now we click on add project. We're going to ignore the errors because right now this was saved with a different version of Unity, Unity 6 specifically. We're going to kind of just open it up anyways. We're not going to download or install a new version of Unity. We're going to go to a version that we have installed. So where it says installed, just do the latest version of Unity 6, click on open, change version, ignore any errors, continue, it's fine.